Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a tripod. I purchased this tripod specially on Aputure Amaran 100D lights to support the lights, and I can record very clear way to my YouTube content. So we will see detailed demonstration in this video of unboxing of this light, as well as I will provide you after finish the unboxing how I fix this light to Aputure Amaran 100D, and it's really manageable or not. We will see detailed demonstration. So now let's start as an unboxing of the tripod. Just a couple of minutes ago I am receiving this tripod. This tripod price is €37. I'm purchasing this one from Amazon. Okay, and my tripod is open. This is the original box of tripod. Size is very small, not so big. As usual, they are providing manual booklet if you have no idea how to use this tripod. So wow, the quality of tripod is really nice. The tripod they are providing like this, but the tripod is completely changed 360 like this. So this is a base, and I can fix here my DSLR as well as Aputure Amaran 100D lights. So height is very big compared to like 180 centimeter height of this tripod. If I put it here down, look at this, and quality is really nice. If you need tripod especially on Amaran light or your DSLR, so this one is really nice as my experience. Now remaining video we will see how I fix my Aputure 100 light on this tripod, and it's really worth it to purchase this one or not. We will see detailed information remaining video. So now let's start to fix light on this tripod. Properly manage everything like this. So I just put it like this and fix. The grip is really quality product, not like Chinese model. So this is a tripod. You can increase the height also. I just increase little bit height like this, and here the Aputure Amaran light as well as mini light box. I just properly, first of all, like this, and I fix properly. So look at this. This is a look like of this Aputure Amaran light as well as mini light box, and this is a tripod. Entire equipment I purchased here from Amazon around €350. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.